In this video, I will explain how to solve the first problem given in the today's contest maximum distance that can be traveled. First, we will understand the given question. We have given an array of distances with positive numbers means go right and negative numbers means go left. So, the input will be array of distances d1, d2, and so on. So, in the distance that if the integer is positive, it is clearly mentioned that we have to move right side. If integer is negative, we have to move left side from the current position. Okay, this one is clear. The next point is find. We have to find the farthest point from the origin. So origin there will be a number line, and there will be origin at the center. We have to find the farthest point. Here we have to travel all the distances in the given array. So in this traveling, we will touch few points in the number line. Touch few points. Among these points, we have to return the maximum, not maximum, farthest point from the origin. Farthest point from the origin. Okay. And next point is answer can be positive or negative depending whether the farthest point is right or left. I will explain this question with two examples. Suppose the first example. Suppose you have 2 points. One is -4 and another one is 7. In these 2 points, which one is the farthest point from the origin? Obviously 7. So the farthest point from the origin is 7. So 7 we will return 7 as output. In the second case, suppose there is -9 and 7. If you touch these 2 points, for example, among these 2 points, which one is the farthest point from the origin? Obviously -9 because this distance is 9, this distance is 7. So the farthest point is -9. We have to return -9. So this is the so that way in the question it is clearly mentioned that answer can be answer can be positive or negative depending whether the point is right or left. Farthest point is right or left. Now I will solve the given given case. So we'll understand this question better. Okay. The given test case is 2 -1 -2. We'll take a number line and an origin at the center. I will follow these steps only given in the question to solve this problem. In the first step, first we will travel distance 2 from the origin. So 2 is a positive, we will move right side. Now we will reach 2. Our current position is 2. So we will reach current position is 2. In the second point, it is mentioned that next time you again start from the beginning. Next time you again start from the beginning. It means we have to travel all these distances initially. So first we travel this distance and we are at point current point 2, and we have to travel next distance is -1. This is a new traveling of new distance. For every for every new traveling, we have to start again from the beginning. You have to start again from the beginning. So before traveling directly -1, you have to start again from travel again from the beginning. So at the beginning it is 2. So first we will travel 2 distance. We will reach 4. Then we will travel -1. It is a negative number, so we will move left side and we will reach 3. Our current position is 3. Current position is 3. These two are completed. The next distance we have to travel is -2, and this is the new traveling. So as I mentioned, for every new traveling, we have to travel again from the beginning. So our current position is 3. The 2 is at z index. So we will travel 2 distance from 3. It is 5. 3 plus 2, 5. The next distance we have to travel is -1. And moving -1, we have to move left side and we will reach 4. Our current position is this 4. And next distance we have to travel is -2. So from -2, from minus 4, we have to travel in the left direction. So we will reach 2. So finally we reach position 2. But we do not have to return the final position. We have to return the farthest point from the origin. So the points we have touched are 0, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 final. So 5 will be the farthest point among all these points from the origin. So we will return 5. So that way the answer is 5. Now we'll try to solve the second test case so we can understand more better. The second test case given is 1, 1, 1. 3 ones. We'll draw an origin into 0 number line. Okay. First we will travel this distance 1. Our current position is 1. And we have to travel this distance, and this is a new traveling for us. So for every new traveling we have to start traveling all distances from the beginning. So again we'll start from here up, and we travel up to here. So we'll start at 0 to next, it is 1. So we'll travel one distance from the current position. We reach 2, and we'll travel this distance also. We will reach 3. We have completed these two distances, and the last distance we have to travel is 1. Again this is a new traveling. So for every new traveling we have to travel again from the beginning. So I will travel again from the beginning. 3 plus 1, 4. 4, 4 plus 1, 5. The last one, 5 plus 1, 6. So we have traveled these points. These points. Among all these points, the farthest point is 6. So the output is 6. Okay. For this question, the logic will be, I will explain this. I will explain the logic. We will dry run this. Dry run the logic. Okay. I will explain logic. So initially we have to travel all the distances. So we will iterate a loop. I is equal to 0 to n minus 1, where n is the length of the given array. And for every new traveling, here I represents new traveling. For every new traveling, we have to start traveling all the distances again from the beginning up to the new traveling. So for that, I will take inner loop j equal to, I will put it blank for better understanding. 2, I will put it blank. So it is clearly mentioned that we have to travel from the beginning for all new traveling. So for every new traveling, we have to start from beginning. So we'll start from 0 up to that new traveling. So j less than or equal to I. Okay, and we'll keep a variable x. We'll add all the distances to the x for every iteration, and we'll keep a global maxima variable which stores the maximum farthest point from the origin. That's it. This is the logic. We'll implement the logic. I will implement this logic. First, initially, I will take input. So here the input is in single line. So first I will take the input as in string form. To take input, I am using scanner. Scanner S is equal to new scanner system dot in, and I'm taking input as a string. So I will string s as input sc dot next line. Okay. Now I'll convert this string into string array by using split function. String of array is equal to s dot split. It will split strings into string array where there is a space, and will now I will convert this string array into integer array. So we have to access the distance in the integer form. So I'm taking the length. I'm taking integer array as well equal to new int of n. Val of I equal to convert a string into an integer. We'll use integer dot parse int parse int array of I. Okay. Now I will initialize two variables, like global maxima and a temporary variable in which I will add all the distances. Here using without using single global maxima, I will declare two global maximas because one handles the positive farthest point, right side farthest point from the origin, and another one handles the left side farthest point from the origin. Suppose I will declare two variables, answer 1 and answer 2. Answer 2. Here answer 2 stores the left side farthest point, which means negative points from the origin, and answer 1 stores the right side, which stores the positive integer, positive points. We store the positive point, farthest positive point from the origin. Answer 2 stores the farthest negative point from the origin. And finally, I will compare both the points, and I will store the maximum farthest point in the result, and I will print the result. Okay. So int of answer 1 equal to 0, int of answer 2 equal to 0, and declare the variable x in which I will add all the distances. Now I will write the inner loop. Int of I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. I will write inner loop. Int of j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to I j plus plus. So here, as I mentioned, I represents the new traveling, and j represents the every new traveling. We have to start traveling distance from the beginning. So I will add distances to x, and I'll update the global right side maximum point and left side maximum point. So answer 1 equal to math dot max of answer 1 comma x, and answer 2 is equal to math dot, here we will write min because it stores the left side maximum point. So from the origin, left side points are we have to store the minimum point. So max dot minimum. by coming out of the loop, I will store the answer 1 minus 1 into answer 2 greater than answer 1 result is equal to I will print the answer. Italian fresh. I will explain this code, this piece of code. I am storing initially. I am assuming that the result will be right farthest point. So I will get finally I will get after completion of all iterations, I will get 2 points. Your answer to lies on left side. It stores the farthest negative point from the origin, and it stores and answer one stores the farthest positive point from the origin. So initially, I am assuming that the farthest point from the origin is answer one only. So I am initialize the result will with answer one, and after I am checking minus one into answer two greater than answer one. So suppose in this case I got the points minus one, minus nine, minus four, two, 7. In this case, in this case, this line stores the result. Result is equal to 7 because here the farthest positive point from the origin is 7. So 7 stored in the answer one, and will store. I will keep the 7 in the result. And after that, I am checking minus 1 into minus 9, which means it gives the distance of left side from origin to left side farthest point. So the distance is 9. So 9 greater than 7. So the answer is answer I'm storing the result answer 2 in the result. So answer is minus 9, not 7. So I am printing the result. Suppose it is the case like 0, 4, minus 4. There is no minus 9 here. No. Minus 2, 3, 7. So this will be the answer to this is 7 is the answer 1. Initially I am assuming answer 1 is the answer, so result stores the 7. Now I am check this if condition minus 1 into answer 2, it is minus 4, is greater than or 7, it is not greater than 7, it is not greater than 7. So the 7 results remains in the result, 7 remains in the result. So I'm just printing the result. So I will get the answer 7 as out. That's it. First, we'll run this code. Answer to spelling mistake. We are getting this wrong answer. Yeah. Here we have to keep J instead of I. This is the mistake. Now we got the right answer. I will submit this code. All test cases are passed.